Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel, Grace Shining Star. How are you all? It's early in the morning. I am ready to go Margaon to collect my tablets. First, I will be doing my breakfast with mashed melon, and then I will be leaving. So, hello, guys. This is today's breakfast. Here, mashed melon. This is for me, and this is for San. So now I'm going to have this breakfast today, and after that I have to go to Margaon to collect my medicines.
Later.
Hello guys, here I'm reached to the hospital now, and now I'm going inside to collect the tablets. Hello guys, right now I'm in the hospital and this is my number. I have to wait for 41 till it comes. So see you guys. Hello guys, I just collected my medicines and now I'm going in the Gandhi market to buy some things. After that I will be going directly. Hello guys, I am done with my shopping. Here some vegetable I have purchased, and this one also I wanted. Guys, right now we are near Eagle Margaon because my son wants to buy something.
Hours later. Much later.
Hello guys, just now we reached home. These are all the eatables things, and these are the milks. I get it in a one time only. Okay, so guys, let me get fresh up now and then I will see you later. Okay, I'll just change my clothes. Now I'm going to eat this. Okay,
20 minutes later.
it's heavy raining here. I wanted to go for mass. I don't know how I will be able to go in this rain. Hope it will stop. See, I'll show you. It's heavy.
1 hour later.
Hello guys, here I'm ready to go for mass now. We are leaving to go for mass. Rain is not that much, but we manage anyhow to reach near the church. So see you guys. Bye. Hello guys, just now the mass is over, but it's raining. That's why we are going to wait for some time till the rain stops because it's heavy raining. Hello guys, good evening. Just now we reached home. It's 9 o'clock. Actually it was heavy raining, so we waited there so long near the church, and after that immediately my son was having his dance practice because on 8th of September we are celebrating the Mother Mary Fest. So because of that they are doing the practice these days, the youth children. So do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Grace Shining Star. Good night and bye bye. God bless you all.